Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Finra compliance tools easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Finra website. Log into your Finra account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on the Compliance Tools option. You will see a list of available compliance tools. Select the tool you wish to configure. Read through the introduction or overview of the selected tool. Familiarize yourself with any prerequisites or requirements. Locate the Settings or Configuration tab within the tool. Click on the Settings tab to access configuration options. Review the available settings for customization. Adjust parameters according to your organization's specific needs. Make sure to input accurate data where required. If the tool includes templates, consider downloading them for reference. Once you've made your adjustments, look for a Save or Apply button. Click the Save button to apply your configurations. After saving, check for any confirmation messages. If applicable, conduct a test run of the tool to ensure it works as intended. Monitor the tool's performance over the first few weeks. Review any logs or reports generated for insights into compliance. Make additional adjustments as necessary based on your observations. Ensure to keep your configuration updated with any Finra policy changes. Regularly revisit the compliance tools for further enhancements. Stay informed about new features or updates from Finra. Utilizing these compliance tools effectively will help maintain regulatory adherence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.